Audifort, hear life clearly. Audifort is a natural hearing support formula designed to promote ear health, mental clarity, and overall wellness. Made with carefully selected plant-based ingredients and antioxidants, it helps support healthy circulation and cognitive function. This easy-to-use liquid formula is non-habit forming and crafted in the USA, offering a safe and convenient way to protect your hearing naturally. Key points. 1. Supports healthy hearing. 2. Promotes clear sound. 3. Boosts mental focus. 4. Enhances ear circulation. 5. Powerful antioxidant protection. 6. Non-habit forming formula. For more details, visit our website given in the description. Thank you.